Hi, my name is Lee. It's very nice to meet you. I come from a country called Vietnam. In this video, I will introduce myself. I will tell you about my family, my hometown, my interests, my work, and my plans for the future. Alright, let's start. Let me begin with some facts about myself. I am 31 years old. I was born on January the 2nd, 1991. I live in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. I've been working for 6 years. I graduated from university in 2014, and finally, I love traveling. Now let's talk about my family. I live with my wife and our 2 kids. My wife's name is Myra, and she is a teacher. Our daughter is named Anna, and she is 2 years old. And our son is 1 year old. His name is Luke. Unfortunately, my parents live far away from me. I was an only child. I grew up in a big city, but now I live in a small town. About myself, I am a slim young man with short black hair and brown eyes. I always wear glasses because I have poor eyesight. As a kid, I had long straight hair, but when I became an adult, my hair became shorter and now it's curly. When I was at school, I used to be quite shy, but now I am more confident than before. I think I am a creative and curious person. Also, I am quite friendly and outgoing. I get along well with almost everybody. I am a patient and responsible person. That's why my friends often ask me for help. Moreover, I am ambitious and determined. I believe that hard work and dedication can help me achieve any goals. I have many hobbies. I like swimming, listening to music, reading books, surfing the internet, and especially traveling. I enjoy traveling so much because I like meeting new people and learning about different cultures. Every summer holiday, I travel to a new destination with my family. Last summer, we went to the Maldives in Dubai. We had an amazing time there. The beaches were white and sandy, the water was crystal clear. The weather was hot and sunny, and the hotels were luxurious. Most importantly, we could spend time together as a family and take lots of beautiful pictures. I also love taking photos when I travel. Do you know why? Because I want to show my friends and relatives the places I visit. I keep all the photos in an album on my phone. Some of them make me laugh and some bring back a lot of good memories. When I look at the photos, I feel happy and relaxed. Apart from traveling, I am interested in reading books. I read at least 1 book every month. I prefer reading fiction to reading nonfiction. My favorite genre is romance. I like stories about love and relationships. At the moment, I am reading a book called Me Before You. It tells the story of a young woman who falls in love with a man she works for. The characters in the book are very well developed, and the plot is really interesting. When I have free time, I usually go swimming or listen to music. Swimming helps me keep fit and feel refreshed. Listening to music helps me relax after a stressful day at work. I like listening to pop music, and my favorite band is BTS. They are super talented. Their songs are so catchy. Whenever I hear their songs, I feel happy and energized. Let's talk about my job. I am a content writer at a digital marketing agency. I've worked for this company for 6 years and I love my job. My main responsibilities include writing articles, creating video scripts, and editing websites. I usually start working at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. I work 5 days a week and get 2 days off, Saturday and Sunday. I do and like my job because it pays well and I get to work with a great team. But most importantly, I have the opportunity to develop my skills and learn new things. In my opinion, it's essential to choose a job you are passionate about because you spend most of your time doing it. If you don't like your job, you will be unhappy with your life. Now let's talk about my hometown. I was born and raised in Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. It's a bustling city with a population of over 8 million people. There are many beautiful places to visit in Hanoi, such as the Temple of Literature, Hon Kim Lake, and the Old Quarter. My favorite place is the Old Quarter because it's the heart of the city. There are lots of shops, restaurants, and street food vendors. You can buy almost anything you need in the Old Quarter. You can also try delicious Vietnamese food there. The atmosphere is always lively and vibrant. There are always lots of people walking around, shopping, eating out, or just enjoying the atmosphere. When I was young, I used to spend my summer holidays in the Old Quarter. I would go shopping with my friends and try different kinds of food. I have a lot of good memories there. Let's talk about my daily routine. On weekdays, I wake up early in the morning. I get up at 6 o'clock and immediately do morning exercises. After that, I take a shower and get dressed. Then I have breakfast with my family. Usually I eat eggs and bacon for breakfast. Sometimes I also have bread and coffee. After that, I take my kids to school and then I go to work. I work from Monday to Friday. On weekends, I like sleeping in late. I usually wake up at 7 or 8 o'clock. Then I have breakfast and go shopping with my family. In the afternoon, we often go to the park or the beach. In the evening, we eat dinner together and watch TV. Before going to bed, I always read a few pages of a book. I try to read for at least 30 minutes each night. Reading before bed helps me relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. Finally, let me talk about my plans for the future. Now I am focusing on my work. I want to get promoted and earn more money. In 5 years, I hope to become a project manager. I believe that with my experience and skills, I can do it. In 10 years, I plan to buy a house in a big city. I also want to have at least one more child. Finally, I am planning to travel around the world. There are so many beautiful places I want to see, such as the Eiffel Tower in France, the Great Wall of China, and the pyramids in Egypt. I want to take my family on that trip because I want them to experience different cultures and make unforgettable memories. That's all about me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time.